Hey guys, if I ask you if you have to change the name of the app which you have already created in the UiPath App Studio. So what is the step you will follow to change the name of the app which is already created? In this video we are going to see that. So let's move on to our screen. Let's get started. Okay, before we get started, let me tell you, if you want to become master of any application, you must know the small areas. Only when you know all of these small concepts or small techniques, it will be easy to become a master. So let's see this, how to do and achieve this specific requirement. Now here on the home page of UiPath Studio, I do not see anywhere to change the name. For example, if I click on these three dots, there is no option. If I click on the edit, there is no direct option available on the window. For example, here if there's no pen symbol, so I cannot change it from here. If you click on this, nothing is going to happen. Now where is the place? Let me tell you, it is quite simple. All you have to do is click on this settings button. Okay, and here I want to give it some name. Let's say I want to give it as mobile app. I want to change the name. Okay, once you write the name, all you do, I'll go back to the main page and you can see the name has changed. Now if I go back to the App Studio, again you will see the name has changed. This is a simple technique, but again if you are very new, you might find slight difficult to change the name. So I hope this video will be helpful. Thank you very much. We are going to come up with more such interesting techniques. If you know those techniques, I'm pretty sure you'll be a master of a given application. Thank you, and we are going to meet once again in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.